Okay, so this is my project 2 for this semester. I'm doing the everyday chemistry video. I couldn't find a hack one, so I'm just doing one that we use in our everyday life. In front of me I have a bottle of canola oil, and then I have the canola oil spray, and what I'm going to be doing is putting them into water and explaining the density of them and how the molecules change because of the different states that each is in. So I have a cup of water, which is room temperature. I'm using it for both, so I'm gonna fill both cups up about halfway, and then in one cup I'm gonna add just a splash of olive oil, canola oil. It doesn't matter how much, just because I'm not really measuring anything, but if you could see, the oil stays to the top of it and doesn't sink because of its density, because water has a density of 1, and anything that is less than that, it'll float on the top of the water, which is something that we talked about earlier in the semester. And then with the spray, I'll do it up on the screen so you can kind of see it. You can see that when I spray it in there, it's most definitely coming out. And if you look at it from the top view, you can see the molecule sitting on the top. Just because it's in a can and it's not in a gas state, it's still in a liquid, but it has the aerosol in it to make it come out. It's not going to be in as great of an amount of the bottle of canola oil, but it's going to be the same. But the molecules, you can still kind of see it, are sitting at the top of the water because the density is still the same, even though they are in 2 different forms of it. So just because the state of something is different doesn't mean that it's going to change the density of it. And just because of there's still different masses, they will still flow on top of the water because the density is less than 1. So that's a little hack from your kitchen.